Good day, please introduce yourself.
Hi, Mom and Sir. My name is Lovelyn Lara, 33 years old, single mom, and I have one daughter turning 11 this coming June. And I have work experience in the Philippines, 2 years contract since 2018 to 2020. And I have one couple and two kids also, one 7 years old and 4 years old.
What are your duties in the house of your employer?
I'm the one who taking care of them and sending them to school.
How about overseas? Do you have any experience overseas?
Yes, I have also experience in Dubai and Egypt with the same employer since 2013 and 2017. One kid and one newborn baby.
So you take care of the newborn baby and the kid?
Yes, mom.
Did you finish your contract?
Yes, I finished my contract for 4 years.
Okay, who will take care of your kids when you go to Hong Kong?
My sister will take care of my kids when I go to Hong Kong.
How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters, and I am the youngest of the family.
Why did you choose to apply to Hong Kong?
I want to go to Hong Kong to earn money and save money for the operation also of my daughter because she have a Blount's disease, a deformity of her 2 legs, and also to earn and save for her future.
Okay, are you willing to take care of newborn babies and small children in Hong Kong?
Yes, I'm willing to take care a newborn baby and a kid also in Hong Kong.
What will you do if the newborn baby is crying at night?
I will check if the baby is crying, if she have maybe she's sick, or maybe her diaper is full, so I need to change with a fresh diaper.
How about the small children? What will you do if they are not listening to you?
I will encourage them to play and sing and to draw, and also to tell that if you're not listening, I will tell your mom and your dad so that they will not angry with you.
Are you patient with small children?
Yes, I am patient, mom.
How about if you become homesick?
No, I will not feel homesick because I already experienced in Dubai and Egypt for 4 years.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, I'm not scared because I have also 2 dogs and one cat and also rabbit in my home.
Do you have any body tattoo?
Yes, I have a body tattoo in my left hand.
So, what is written on your tattoo?
It's my daughter's name, Precious Kizia.
Okay. Are you willing to cut your hair short before you go to Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing. But now my hair is short already.
Okay. How long do you want to work with your employer?
I will finish my 2 years contract, but as long as they needs me, I will continue working with them.
Are you willing to renew or extend your contract with your employer?
Yes, ma'am, I'm willing, ma'am, to renew my contract.
Any food that you don't eat or any food allergy?
No, I don't have allergy to any food.
So you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am.
How about cooking?
I know how to cook also Arabic food and Filipino food, but I'm willing to learn how to cook Chinese food.
Are you also willing to learn the Cantonese language?
Yes, I'm willing to learn a Cantonese language, ma'am.
Can you describe yourself?
I am patient, obedient, and hardworking and trustworthy.
Can you sing for me a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am. Okay. The itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried it all the rain. So the itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
What is your final message to your future employer in Hong Kong?
Mom, sir, good day. Please select me as your housemaid, and I'm willing to learn Chinese food also, and learn to speak Chinese. And hope you will choose me because what you call this?
Are you willing to learn the Cantonese language and learn Chinese cooking?
Yes, mom, I'm willing, mom.
Do you promise to love the children like your own children?
I will, mom. I will promise that I will love them as my own family.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.